Godrej and Boyce Manufacturing Company Limited, the holding company of Godrej Group, started its journey by manufacture of high quality locks in 1897. Today we have 15 diverse business divisions offering industrial, office and consumer products across the globe. The Godrej Group touches the lives of 400 million Indians who at least use one of our products every day. Our commitment to quality and attention to detail and customer centricity has helped to gain the trust of millions of Indians. Godrej Vending is one of the businesses of Godrej and Boyce Manufacturing Company Limited. Godrej Vending manufactures high quality tabletop hot beverage vending machines for the world market in the collaboration with Varomatic International BV, the Netherlands. Godrej Vending has been using DS SolidWorks Professional since 2005 to develop the mechanical designs of vending machines. In the initial phase, Godrej Vending was using 2D platform to design the vending machines. The challenge was to reduce the design cycle time. DS SolidWorks was introduced to Godrej Vending by DS SolidWorks key reseller Adonix Technologies, Mumbai. Adonix Technologies helped Godrej Vending to learn SolidWorks by imparting training program, due to which it was easy to implement SolidWorks in the design CAD process. Godrej Vending has experienced that DS SolidWorks is easy to use and learn. Because of its enhanced features, we could make various options of mechanical designs for vending machines. After finalizing the concepts, DS SolidWorks helps us in creating the 3D models. We use this accurate 3D model data to make one prototype, which Godrej Vending uses for verification process. Due to the enhanced features of DS SolidWorks, the overall CAD process time has reduced by 20%. One of the best features of SolidWorks is creating a part within a part. This reduces time of working with the assembly models. During this development, Adonix Technologies gave us excellent after-sales service when there was a new DS SolidWorks release and imparted training as and when required. SolidWorks is very user-friendly and it is very easy to use and learn. DS SolidWorks helps to create spare part catalog and maintain them for the service department at Godrej Vending. Also, the highly rendered images of products helps the marketing department to decide on the designs of brochures for Godrej Vending. Godrej Vending design is satisfied in using DS SolidWorks for the development of vending machines.